Enable dark mode in Windows 11 ITMaster. Tired of bright screens and constant eye strain? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11, step by step, fast, simple, and effective. First, click the Start button. Go to Settings. Now, from the left menu, select Personalization. Then click on Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, you'll see 3 options. Click the drop-down and select Dark. Your Windows 11 system will instantly switch to dark mode. If you want more control, choose Custom. You can set dark for Windows and light for apps, or the other way around. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Windows 11. It looks modern, saves battery, and is easier on your eyes, especially at night. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. This is Rashid Makbul from ITMaster. See you in the next video.